what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment and subscribe. This is about the only thing you need to do to show your support and motivate me to create new recipes and contents for you to watch. Today we're going to be making red lentil crepes. After the huge success I had with my red lentil pasta, I decided to create new recipes using this key ingredient that has become really popular. I will be posting the list of ingredients in the description below and at the end of this video. But it's pretty simple. So you're going to use 1 cup of red lentil and you're going to hydrate it on a scale of 1 to 2. So 1 cup of red lentil, I'm using 2 cups of filtered water. So let the lentils hydrate either overnight or for at least 3 to 4 hours. I have one here already that I prepared ahead of time for this video, so you can see how the lentils doubled its size. Now we're going to make a batter, very similar to what you would need for a crepe batter, right? So I'm using my blender and I'm going to add melted butter. You can make this a vegan recipe by either adding the vegan butter or coconut oil. I actually have made with coconut oil. I felt that it left a little bit of a coconut oil taste. So today I'm actually using regular butter. And also drain the lentil and put fresh water. I am using everything that I have in this jar. You will need a little bit of water because this is going to give you a thick consistency. So I'm going to add little by little. I'm going to add 1/4 of water into this jar, kind of clean it up, and then blend it in. So again, 1/4 at a time. Once I blend it, I'll show you the consistency that we're looking to achieve. It's good. I'm adding the melted butter, 2 tablespoons. Again, the recipe will be posted down below. And I'm making savory crepes for breakfast, but literally I'm adding 2 pinches. The lentils that are on the side, go ahead and clean it up and blend it again. Now that it's fully blended, we're going to add what's going to make the whole difference. So you could cook it like this, but I did run a couple experiments and this makes a difference. This is Yucca, this is tapioca flour, Yucca starch. So I'm adding, it's going to add some elasticity to our crepes. And then blend it a little bit more. Let me show you the consistency. Lightly coat your skillet. I used to have a crepe pan. Don't know what happened to it. So this will work. Just don't get discouraged if they don't all turn out round. You can see that it changed colors, so that means it's ready to be flipped to the other side. I got 9 crepes out of this recipe. I did go ahead and added a little bit of water, maybe like 1 tablespoon, at the most 2. So play with your dough. I just felt that it needed to be a little thinner because I want thinner crepes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and tutorial. If you did, you know what to do. Leave some comments down below and hit the like button. Oh, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so this way you are notified anytime I post a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.